What's going on, everyone? It's Jamie here from SaaS University, and let's talk about how you can build a software company with no money to start with. So we're gonna go over generally how I would do it, and I'll walk through everything in an overall view to help you get started. Before I dive into it, I just want to mention the Solo SaaS Academy. It's gonna teach you how to start your very own SaaS business step by step, all the way from idea generation to generating your first $1,000 a month in recurring revenue. I want to take everything I've learned over the last few years as a solo SaaS founder and package it into an easily to understand course so you can build your very own SaaS business. Building my own SaaS app has allowed me to quit my job as an accountant, and now I run it full time and I can do it anywhere in the world from my laptop. I want to share all those experiences I have with you, giving you real life examples from my very own SaaS app. So there's a link in the description below to apply for early access, and that's going to guarantee you a discounted rate when the course is released. So again, a link in the description below to apply for early access. So if you take a look at building a software company with money, what you would do is you would probably hire developers. They'll build you the exact SaaS app you want at the scale you want. You could look to hire a team permanently as well, raise money, and do all the things there. But we're going to take a look at a different approach today without any money, how to start a software app. We're also not going to include raising money, as it is a separate topic. And so really what you want to do is kind of two ways here. The first one is that if you have a friend or a partner you can go into it with, you can essentially build out that technical component there without having to pay a lot of money. With developer tools, there are a ton of free plans out there. So if you even to look at different website hosting solutions, there's always a free tier to get you started. You can also apply for discounted rates too, depending on if you're a student or a non-profit. But the other route, if you don't have a technical co-founder you can build this for, it's going to be using no-code builders here. All of these no-code builders, you have free plans available, so you can get started with them and start building and validating your idea with no money. Then once you start generating some revenue, you can then take that revenue and put it back into the business, which is going to allow you to maybe move up to these paid plans, getting rid of the branding from them, and get off the freemium plans and scale that up from there. Now, we're not going to cover marketing and distribution in this video, and if you want to see more content like that, just leave a comment below. So let's get into our first no-code builder here, and that's going to be Webflow. And it makes it really easy to build websites as well as interactive applications online. It's used by over 3.5 million designers. It's not going to be as advanced as the other ones we're going to look at. It is more of a general website builder, but it does allow you a lot of customization, and it integrates with tons of different other applications as well. So it's great to build that initial front end, as you can do other things such as building member-only communities. So next we'll take a look at Bubble. Bubble is more of an advanced builder here, as you can build different applications such as mobile apps, CRMs, dashboards, as you can go from prototyping, demonstrating your idea, you can launch it, you can iterate it too, so it makes it really easy for you as a founder to go and make edits, build this app. This way you don't have to pay for a developer for every little change you want to make. It also makes it possible to even scale these apps without having to worry about infrastructure. If you take a look at just the basic UI from some of these screenshots, you can see different categories here, and it makes it really intuitive to build these workflows even if you're not a developer, and it gives you pixel perfect designs. Some successful companies have been started using Bubble. We can see Dividend offering clean energy home financing. Coins helps users repay loans and debts automatically. Comment curates agile freelance IT talent. And Teal tracks and organizes job searches. We can see all these companies here have raised venture funding from 365 million all the way down to 1.5. Bubble is also great because it has a marketplace for templates and plugins. It has a very vibrant form, and it integrates with a ton of different other applications, making it really easy to build out some of these features. We can see some of their featured ones are Airtable, Google Maps, Google Sign-In, MailChimp, Stripe, YouTube, and Zapier. But the other platform to use if you have no money to start a software company, it's going to be to use Thunkable. Again, it's going to be very similar. It's a one powerful no-code platform. It's going to include things such as drag and drop components, advanced logic. It can be device native to iOS or Android. You get different integrations you can put in, as well as direct publishing. You can see different apps have been published here. One is Edgy Alternatives. It has over 25,000 downloads. Another person built an app that's bringing solar power to Yemen. So overall, you can build quite powerful apps here. Again, with these no-code builders, they're a great way to test the idea, to validate it, even to scale to, depending on your feature set. And it can allow you to start generating revenue, which you can then put back into the business. Over 7 million apps have been built on this platform with over 3 million creators in over 184 countries. The last one we'll take a look at is Stacker. It's a great flexible software in a no-code environment. You can see it's been used by big brands such as Samsung, Segment, Audible, Mozilla, TED, as well as SitePoint. It uses other tools to hold your data. You can see you can use Google Sheets, Airtable, or HubSpot. Stacker is great as it allows you quite a bit of flexibility in terms of what you use as your backend for your database. You can build things such as a customer portal, a client portal, team intranet, as well as business operation processes. So overall, another alternative to Bubble and Thunkable. So this concludes the video here on how to build a software company with no money. So generally the concept is to take your application, build it with a no-code builder, start generating revenue for it, and then you can take that revenue and generate it back into the business. Now, if there are different aspects you want me to cover, just let me know in the comments as well. Before I go, I want to mention the Solo SaaS Academy again. It's going to be my very own course that's going to take you from idea generation to generating your first $1,000 a month in revenue. There's a link in the description below to apply for early access that's going to guarantee you a discounted rate when the course is released. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.